What's up, XRP holders? Something crazy is about to go down for XRP literally within days. And before you say, Steph, you have been talking about this breakout for ages, when is it finally going to happen? I hear you guys. But please, I urge all of you to sit down, watch the video until the end, because what I'm about to reveal in today's video is extremely important. And I have to say, it blew my mind away completely. I did some research. I came across something absolutely crazy. So first, of course, like the video. Can we get this video once again back above 1,000 likes? Would be appreciated. Let's get into it. Okay, guys. So before I show you the actual important stuff here of the video, let's first talk about what Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO at Ripple, said yesterday about 11 hours ago on his X page. He posted, Ripple is dropping our cross appeal and the SEC is expected to drop their appeal. As they've previously said, we're closing this chapter once and for all and focusing on what's most important, building the internet of value lock-in. Interesting words here from Brad Garlinghouse. We don't have any confirmation yet from the SEC, but this is definitely interesting. And since then, we have seen some bullish momentum in the price of XRP. Nothing major, but definitely a little bit of upside. Now, the most important thing of this video is actually this chart, and this is XRP's monthly time frame going all the way back to 2020. What I'm focusing on here is actually the month of July going back to 2020. And what you can see is that in every month of July, for the past 5 years, we have seen significant upside in the price of XRP. It also applies to the whole crypto market, but I'm focused here on XRP. You can see that on the left-hand side back in 2020, in the month of July, plus 51%, 2021 plus 49%, then 35%, 29%, and in 2024, 72% in the month of July. And right now, guys, in about 3 days, we are about to enter the month of July. And are we about to see double-digit gains once again here for XRP? I think there is a case to be made, and this is super interesting data which I came across. And I think if we go probability-wise, we should expect a significant bullish month here for XRP going forward in July, so next month. And yeah, I just wanted to share this with you because if you're thinking about giving up right now, then this is definitely not the moment. Also, if we take a look at XRP's 2 daily time frame, and if we focus here on the MACD indicator on the bottom side of the screen, you can see that we are getting very close to a bullish cross or a golden crossover. And the last time that we had a golden cross on the 2 daily MACD for XRP was actually in the month of April. That was when XRP was trading here, and you can see that. And after this bullish crossover, we had about 30+% upside for XRP literally in a week or two. And can we expect something similar this time around? I think there is a pretty decent probability for this to happen. What you also can see on the 3 daily chart is that XRP's price is literally in the apex of this massive consolidation phase going all the way back to January. And yeah, guys, we are about to see the breakout by the end of this month, latest a few days into July. So pay very close attention to this. And since we are in a significant uptrend, as you can see over here, I think there's a high probability for XRP to break out to the upside. You've seen this chart multiple times on my channel or on my X page, but you can see that back in 2017, we had an initial rally, a breakout. Then we had about 6 months of sideways consolidation right before the next major pump for XRP started. And right now we're seeing something similar. We had a huge pump for XRP, a breakout beyond this multi-year trend line. We are seeing the sideways consolidation. We are currently 6 months in. So are we about to see the breakout in July? If history repeats, I think there is a high probability for this to happen. In the immediate short term, guys, there is some greed in the market. So if we see a pullback just in the immediate short term, in the next few hours, in the next few days or so, pay attention to $2. That area could provide massive support. And if we drop lower, pay attention to the $1.80 region. But I do not expect any significant drops for XRP going forward. I think the bottom is in. The bottom has been established in April. as you can see over here, around $1.60 for XRP. I think there is a low probability for this low to break, but if we see some bearish momentum just in the immediate short term, then pay attention to these support levels here showcased on the screen. And if you want to buy or trade XRP, if you want to take advantage of this very lucrative risk to reward ratio, I'm personally opening up massive swing trade positions. I'm building up my positions with low leverage, and if you want to do so as well, I can highly recommend BTCC or Phemex. The links are down below in the video description. A 10% deposit bonus over on BTCC and a 20% deposit bonus over on Phemex. Check the links down below in the video description. That was it, guys, for today's video. If it was helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel, of course. Also, don't forget to follow me over on my Instagram account. The link is down below in the video description. You can send in your questions over there. I'm doing regular Q&A sessions. I'm also posting a lot of XRP content, which I'm only posting over there. Short-term stuff, which is super important and which can give you a clear edge in the market. So definitely check it out if you're interested. I want to thank all of you for watching, for the support, and I'll see you very soon in another one. Bye bye.